Michael, look, let's refresh some of your material. We better refresh what we've been doing at the beginning of the programme. Actually, I'm going to bother CJ because she's very up to date on it. We'll do it nice and slow. So after reading his thing.
You mean pants or you mean?
No, we're going to refresh our Lat Sau section.
Oh, Lat Sau.
Or Lat Sau programme. So you guys all remember Lat Sau? Hope you would. That's good. So right foot forward, you two come around a little bit so I can show you. Jesse, come around this way so you can see. There you go. Otherwise, I'm just teaching to the camera, you know. Look, out of range. So what happens if I drop my hands? What does she have to do? I do nothing. Carry on punching, yes. So if she drops her hands down, I just keep going forwards. So I'm making sure she's always going forwards. What happens if I push her arm across? Think of the same principle.
You hit or she...
No, she can hit straight through. So if she hits my arm across, I can just keep on punching. Think of everything's always going forwards. So she keeps going forward, that's it. And if I push into her body, she can hit, but it's a bit stuck, so she larps and hammer fists. Do you remember this drill as well? And then we can do the drill where she larps and hammer fists. We've got these replacing the hand drills as well. Then we go back into the drill. We've also got, if I grab across, she punches through. We've also got, if I grab on the same side, you do the fisherman. And then we had the drill we did as well, where you do the freeing hand and then the inside park and punch. So if she grabs across,